TD Cash Secured Credit Card Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. The TD Cash Secured Credit Card is designed primarily for individuals with limited or damaged credit history who are looking to build or rebuild their credit score. Its core feature is its secured nature, requiring a minimum security deposit of $300, matching the credit limit issued. This deposit acts as collateral, reducing the risk for the issuer and allowing approval even with a low credit score. A key benefit is its potential to graduate to an unsecured card after responsible use, typically within 7 to 10 months. This graduation is based on consistent on-time payments and maintaining a responsible credit utilization ratio. The card earns 1% cash back on all eligible purchases, providing a small incentive for everyday spending. No annual fee is charged, making it an accessible option for those on a tight budget. The card reports to all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, a crucial aspect for credit building. Now, let's dissect the strengths. The card's primary strength is its accessibility to those with poor or no credit. The absence of an annual fee makes it a cost-effective credit-building tool. Furthermore, the potential for graduation to an unsecured card offers a pathway to traditional credit products. However, significant weaknesses exist. The 1% cash back reward is comparatively low. Other secured cards offer higher reward rates. The APR is typically on the higher end of the spectrum, reflective of the risk associated with secured cards, making it essential to pay the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Another potential downside is the relatively low credit limit, starting at the minimum security deposit of $300, which may restrict spending flexibility. Furthermore, the lack of additional perks, such as travel insurance or purchase protection, distinguishes it from some competing cards. In conclusion, the TD Cash Secured Credit Card is a reasonable entry point into the credit world for individuals focused on rebuilding their credit history. It's accessible, reports to credit bureaus, and offers a path to an unsecured card. However, the low rewards rate, high APR, and potentially restrictive credit limit are drawbacks to consider. If your priority is maximizing rewards or requiring a higher spending limit, exploring alternative secured cards might be beneficial. Carefully weigh these pros and cons against your individual financial circumstances and credit building goals before applying.